Here's how to download videos with YouTube Premium. Now, I have my iPhone and my Android here. I'll show you on both phones. You can see at the top left, it has the YouTube symbol and Premium on both ones. You do need a premium YouTube membership to be able to download these videos. After you've done that, let's just open up a video on both phones. So I'm just going to open these up, and let's say these are the videos that I want to download. As I'm in this screen, you can see the profile picture and subscribe and then likes. I'm going to take my finger on this bar here, right here, and swipe to the left. On both phones, just swipe to the left, and you can see right next to save is download. Just tap on the download button, and I'll show you exactly where this goes. You can choose the download quality. In this case, high resolution is fine, and hit download. After I've done that, and after it's done downloading, all I need to do to be able to navigate to that is to hop out of here. Oh, let me hop out of here on both phones so that it opens up with, for whatever reason, this is not working. Let's get out of there, just like that. You're going to find the U button at the bottom right and the U button at the bottom right. And now if I scroll down, you can see there is downloads. Just tap on downloads on both. You can see here I can listen to this and watch it offline. If I wanted to, I can tap those three dots to the top right on either one. Oh, tap on the three dots and hit delete from downloads. And again, you can tap on the gear icon at the top right to change the background play, the download quality, whether to download over Wi-Fi only, etc. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.